Hey guys, sorry for the super long wait for a new video because I was so busy at school. So this is an update on my Squishy YouTube store. Store. So it's so hot here. And then I have the Doraemon squeeze toys. I still have 4 of them. So if you want to trade with me, just comment on the down bar. And then I have Squishy socks. Okay, so don't mind the pasting emoji below because it's like I'm filming on my suitcase. So I have medium Panda buns. Okay, so firstly I have this one, which are super soft, but it has cracks at the bottom, so I don't know why. Sorry. Just let it focus. So yeah, and some manufacturing defects. So secondly, I have this green icing bun, which is really soft as well, and then I have the red icing bun. Oh yeah, and it's Chinese New Year, so happy Chinese New Year, guys. And the reason why I have a red bit thing is because it's Chinese New Year as well. So I have this Rilakkuma heart-shaped bun, which doesn't come in its original packaging, but I didn't take it out, it came like that. Yeah, and then I have this not super defective, it's manufacturing defects. It has air bubbles here. Well, trust me, I didn't squish it. So it is pretty soft. So I'll show you how soft it is. It's like tissue, as soft as tissue. Well, not really, but okay, so I have this Panda bun, which have cracks. Well, I didn't squish them either, they came like that. And some cracks here and here. They're for $2 because they're defected. And then I have this pink lovely cake, just soft as well. I'll put the prices on the I don't know what you call that. Ooh, this one's so cute. It used to be my favorite, and it's really soft as well. It's really textured and stuff. This Rilakkuma sandwich, sorry. It's soft as well. I'm not gonna squish it. And then this one, this cake thing. This one, which comes with the chain as well. Everything comes with the chain, but this one doesn't. Not everything though. This one comes with the self-in strap. And then I think I have 3 more of these, but right now I have 2. Like somewhere there, it's only 1 more. Ice creams. Whoa, this is super soft. Whoops, sorry. Let's squish it. It's just super soft. Heart-shaped Rilakkuma bun. Sandwich. Sorry. And then I have this one, Rilakkuma Strawberry, which is soft as well. And then I have this Panda bun, which is defected as well. So I'm selling this for $2. And then I have Angry Birds. This much. I don't know why I still have so many, but yeah. So it comes with a tag, which is, I don't know. Oh, it's tangled up. Look at this. Whoops. But anyways, it comes with a tag. This one. So yeah, they're for $4 each. Sorry. I have this red bird. Red bird, white bird, the yellow one, the blue one, yellow one, and the black one. Yellow and the black. Gosh, here. There. And then I have the Rilakkuma and Rilakkuma mushrooms. I'll just spray them to you. So this is the Rilakkuma one. It's really soft. So cute. And I'm selling these for $2 each. No, sorry, $3. Yeah. And then the Rilakkuma ones are these, but I have less Rilakkuma ones than the Rilakkuma for some reason. And then I have this Rilakkuma, the bun, curatorial. Okay, right. So these curatorial buns, they are super soft. This one is my favorite, my total favorite. It is so soft, super soft, softer than the other ones. And then I have the Rilakkuma head buns. Sorry. Woo! They're super soft as well. And then, yeah, these are the ones I have in this pack. And finally I have this. These are these ones. Oops. Yeah. They're the Rilakkuma and pajamas. This one, the Rilakkuma sitting down. They're all crumpled, the packaging. I'll try to get you, like, if you buy from me. Not crumpled ones, but sorry. And then I have the curatorial. Oh yeah, let's Rilakkuma lying down. Okay, here it is. So cute. It's really soft. So yeah, that's all I have.